Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here at Peterson Electric. This is our fourth video, I think, for this house. It's a final video. Wanted to show you. Don't always get to come back and show you guys this, but I had to put in some light fixtures. It was basically about, I can't mention the customer's name, but it was in regards to aluminum copper splicing, and it was behind the drywall, back where you could not get to it in the cement wall. We did this back in December of 2017. It is now January of 2018. So this is just a typical plumber's access panel. It's 16 inches by 16. It did get cut out a little bigger than it needed to be because this is the first time I found it down here compared to all the other ones. Simply pop it off. Has a spring action. Okay. Great access panel for these type of finds. This is the Romex that went around for the closet wall, showing a second. And this is the original aluminum coming in. No box, that is true. For you guys that are fairly anal about some of this stuff, I truly understand code to put a box on that, but don't email me about that and don't respond. Bottom line, there was not a lot of ways to get them a good box inside that wall to make it safe and secure it. So it is guarded by cement, and the bottom line is that's a good access cover in case we have an issue in the future. I did not wire this. I found this, we worked on this house, but we found this basement as is. It was done by a homeowner. You can see this is the bathroom, and that's where the issue was, and right around here is where the wiring goes to the switch, to the light, and then down here to this floor plug, or this wall plug in the bathroom. So again, I didn't wire the place, just trying to fix what I had found. We also found many others like that. In this room, sorry guys, this is not easy without your partner helping you. There's an access panel right here that we put in, and another access panel right here. These are smaller. They're about 12 inches by 8 inches. You just pop open this cover. Same thing, I'll grab a screwdriver so I can show you guys. We also found other issues though, just so you know. This is how we toned out what we found. If you guys remember, we had a bunch of blinks right here umbrellaing off to our can lights, and then we had another blink right here, and then that we fished to come to this for the bar light. All of that was hidden in the drywall. There was not a single opening. Same thing right here. We had no box right there, original keyless, and these cans came off of that. So once we toned it out and found it, we did have a few extra holes. You'll see the other video, and I know some of you are going to give me a bunch of shit about that, but you know what? It is what it is. This right here is the other one we found that did all these can lights in here as well. You can see that guy right there. That we found as well. So we had two circuits down here. One came from kitchen to here. One went from the hallway bathroom to the bedroom. Basically what they did is they came through with a 3-wire and did the red as a switch leg, their black as a hot, and their neutral, and then they fished it over, or came all the way down here originally with the 12-2 aluminum and went right into here. And then from that aluminum, they went copper all the way around the room. So I'll take this one out so you can see this. Same issue I had here. They came up here with the power and that, came down to this one here, and came around to that wall there. So the best way that we thought to try to fix this was to make a very nice cut in, because I could not figure out how to get them a better access in the future other than that. Now this one we actually had to cut out that stud. You can see it. I'm trying the best I can here. And then you could see this come up, this Romex. This is the copper. And then this is all aluminum in here. So they originally piped aluminum down to a handy box in the cement wall. You see that in commercial, but you don't see that a long time ago in residential, but that's how they did it. So bottom line, nice little access panel, still meets code for safety. Do I really care about a box in there? You know, with those Alumicons, I don't. I think it's a safer bet that I got that installed instead of having the drywall completely cover all of these splices. So these guys repaired all the ceiling, did a very good job. I had tons of them in this bathroom because I had to get all the way up here to an island with a dedicated circuit, and here for a dishwasher. So if you remember that video and go back to it, you'll see it. So yes, it was a bit of a nightmare in all the holes that we had and created. Keep in mind when you're toning, the copper piping can be an issue. I definitely had that issue right in this kitchen area because there's a bathroom above it and it leaked a long time ago. So the good thing was that they got all the popcorn scraped and all the drywall repaired at once. But anyways, I got to keep these videos under 6 minutes. Really hard on my Dropbox and downloading them. So hopefully they help you out, guys. That video again is based upon how to create junctions when they weren't there, and we already showed you the tone out video. Thanks.